Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you Miro and Milanote. If you are looking for a digital whiteboard or creative planning tools, you have probably uh, heard for Miro and Milanote. But the big question is, which one is actually better for you? I have used both, and in this video I will break it all down so you can pick the right one for your workflow. Let's get into it. First of all, we have to know what are they. Let's start with a quick intro. Here you can see them on my screen. Miro is an infinite online web whiteboard designed for teams. It's used for brainstorming, mapping process, doing workshop, and collaborating in real time. On the other hand, Milanoto, here you can see this. It's used for is more of a visual notebook, great for creatives, designers, writers, and slow thinkers who want to organize ideas visually. In short, Miro equal to better for collaboration and structure, and on the other hand you can see Milanoto equal to better for visual thinking and creativity. But let's compare them features by features. The key features of two Milano and Miro and Milanoto. The infinity canvas for Miro, yes, and Milanoto is yes also, and templates for Miro, tones of for teams, UX, PMs, and Milanoto is a creative focused mood boards and storyboards. Real-time collaboration for Miro, excellent, and Milanoto is basic, not live, and offline access is for Miro not available, and Milanoto yes limited, and file upload and embeds for strong in Miro. On the other hand, Milanoto is also strong. Integration, Slack, Jira, Notion, etc. for Miro, and the Milanoto is very limited. All features for in 2025 for Miro is smart, dynamic, diagramming, and clustering, and the Milanoto for not yet available. So Miro is built for teams, while Milanoto feels more like is a solo creative studio. Then go to the pros and cons sections. Miro's pros. Here you can see the great for live collaboration and remote teams. Uh, Ton of templates for workflow, diagram, uh, strategy, UX. Sales well for large project and organization. New AI tools help organization messy boards. And mirror cons is can feel overwhelming if you just want to brainstorm, requires internet connection, slightly learning curve for new users. And Milano's prawns, beautiful and intuitive initiatives, feels like a visual journal, perfect for mood boards, mind maps, story outlines, and easy to drag, drop, and organize idea, better offline access. Milanoto cons, limited real-time collaboration, fewer integration, not ideal for large structure team workflow. And which one should you use? So here's the real answer is choose Mirror if you are working on team based project, planning sprint or mapping process. You need to collaborate live with others. You like having templates and structure to start fast. On the other hand, choose Milanoto if you are designer, writer or slow creative, you want to collect inspiration and organization idea visually, you prefer a more artistic flexible layout over rigid templates. Some people actually use both Milanote for early creative thinking and Miro for structure planning uh, and execution. So, which is better? Miro is for better for structure collaboration and team project, and Milanote it is better for creative exploration and personal workflow. Honestly, they are both great, just built for different brains. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this helped you to decide this which one you use, so don't forget to subscribe the channels.